Hi everyone, this is Renee Garcia, your instructor. I'd like to introduce you to an icebreaker that I'd like for everyone to participate in. It is an assignment that asks you to look back to a memory, and this memory relates to your time during the quarantine. As most of us around the world were in lockdown, we all experienced some very similar kinds of emotions and some a little bit different. So I'd like for you to reflect on your lives and identify a memory that you have about your time during quarantine. So this might be an event, a feeling, news story, or some struggle that you or your family might have gone through. It doesn't have to be negative. It can be something positive that you learned, a new habit that you got into during quarantine and you still maintain, something like this. And then I want you to comment. In your comment, I'd like you to also introduce yourself, share a little bit about your background, who you are, and how you came to this memory, I suppose. Give us a setup of the memory. Yeah, and then how that memory has influenced you today. So you'll also be replying to two other individuals here using VoiceThread. So what you're going to do is, if you don't know VoiceThread, you can come right down here to the link and click on that, and it'll give you a very good tutorial on how to use it. And then right down here, you'll see just below this, let me reload this page, you'll see this link that says Load Icebreaker in a new window. And when this happens, you'll go to VoiceThread here, and you'll see this information which says Assignment Overview, and then you can click on Assignment Content, and this will take you right to the assignment. Okay, so here's the prompt, and then once you're ready, you're going to simply go to this bar. That's my recording, and if you want to reply, you click on this, and then you can hit this one for your audio reply or this one for your video reply as well. And you can text it in as well, but I really would prefer you to do audio or video, okay? Thank you so much. I look forward to hearing your responses.